Hello everyone. How many times in a day do the hands on a clock meet? We're going to assume for the purposes of this video that the hands of a clock move continuously. There is one obvious time where two hands on a clock meet. 12. But nothing lasts forever. Not even 12 o'clock. The clocks will then meet again between 1 and 2, then between 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8, 8 and 9, 9 and 10, 10 and 11. The one between 10 and 11 will be just before 11, and the next time is 12 o'clock itself. There is no time between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock when the hands meet. In a similar way, there is no time between 11 and 12 that the hands will meet. So the answer is 11 times in 12 hours or 22 times in 24 hours. What's the exact time that the hands on a clock meet? Well, if they meet 11 times in 12 hours, they'll meet once every 12 11th hours, approximately 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 27 seconds. Now, earlier in this video I said, nothing lasts forever, not even 12 o'clock. That's from a song from a cassette tape, How Old Do I Feel, that I had as a kid that talked about telling time. But we rarely use analog clocks these days, but kids should still be taught about telling time. Bye.